Welcome back to Grizzly Lumen Labs, where we unbox, install, and test anything to do with lighting. Today, we have the Neewer NF06 floor lamp. Let's dominate the dark.
Dominate the dark.
All right, guys, we're here with the NF06 floor lamp by Neewer. It's the front of the box. Works with Alexa and Google Home. Great picture on the side there. Great for ambient lighting. I don't have a lot of Neewer products. I have more Govee stuff, but they do offer Dream View. So when I get more products in, we'll connect it up and then we'll see what it does in a later video. And it has music mode, which is really, really cool. So let's get into it, guys. Get your instruction manual. All right, guys, this is the base of the floor lamp. Let's see, it does have an LED strip inside of there, so the bottom will end up lighting up. And it's got a nice soft, almost like a speaker cover fabric. Got your AC/DC adapter, got some brackets, some screws, I'm assuming to put the poles together, and it comes with a Allen screwdriver. 1, 2, 3, 4 poles and a remote. And here's your LED strip. All right, when you go to install this thing, you have these rods here. You're gonna have one that goes to the very, very top. It's made of aluminum. This is really strong stuff. You line them up, you take the brackets, you stick them in between and use that little screwdriver that it comes with to put it all together, make it nice and tight, sturdy. This is where you're gonna plug the LED light in and your barrel connector for power. Give me a few seconds. Let me go ahead and get this together and we'll be right back. All right, guys, when you're going to assemble this, there's a little channel that this sits in, slides right in there. Once you get it in, you line up the holes and you take these little screws and you tighten everything up. And just remember, there is one that has a top cap on it. That one, obviously, you're gonna have to put at the very top, otherwise your LEDs are not gonna fit. All right, guys, I'm about 5'10", so this thing is actually really, really tall. So when you go to install this strip, you start at the top, give it a good press, and it just pops into place. Line up the connector, only goes in one way, tug it down, and then it looks like it's gonna bubble up, but they did a great job with this. It fits perfectly. Let's get it plugged in, see what it can do. Real quick before we get into the scenes, let's talk about the remote. You got your on off button, you have your sun, that's the up and down on the D-pad. It's going to be your brightness level. The plus and minus is going to be your switch from warm white to cool white and anywhere in between there. And then you have your modes buttons at the bottom, the multi, random, strobe, breathe, and flash. All those are going to create different effects. Random is just going to choose a random effect in color to just get the mood going. So then you have static color, which is just going to be a solid color. You're going to click through that and it's going to be red, blue, green, yellow, and whatever's preset already into the lamp. You do not have to download the app to use this product, but to get the full features of this product, it is best to do that, and there's a QR code on the back of the box. Let's get into some scenes.
We don't wait for daylight. Heartbeat, heartbeat, feel it rising. Dominate the dark. Shadows creeping, trying to take control, but with fire running through the soul. Every second feel the energy spark. We don't run, we dominate the dark. Hands up now, feel the pressure climb. Pulse syncing up with every light. No more waiting, this is where we start. We don't fade, we tear the night apart. Light it up, let it go. From the inside out we glow. Right here, right now, make a mark. We dominate the dark. We dominate the dark. We don't run, we become the sun. We don't run, we become the sun. Light it up, light it up now. Feel the bass when it shakes the ground. From the spark to a blazing heart. We don't chase, we dominate the dark. Low lights flicker but we see it clear. Turn the doubt into atmosphere. Every color cutting through the gray. We design the vibe, we lead the way. Feel it building your chest again. Calm and chaos, they blend within. It's not just what you see tonight, it's the way you become the light. Raise it higher, let the energy flow. Every heartbeat starts to glow. From your mind to the world you spark. We don't hide, we dominate the dark, 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 dark. we ignite. Turn the dark to light. Colors burst, we own the night. Every soul burning ultra bright. From the pain to a work of art, we don't break. We dominate the heart. Even in the darkest space, there's a glow you can't erase. It was always there inside. You just had to let it rise.